Okay, so this is Dave's. Hold on.
Cars, and someone just right in front of them.
99.
Pretty fast and,
Jeep. This is the one that's having that shift flare between, I think it's 3 and 4, no, 2nd and 3. And we just pulled some transmission fluid out. I did pull codes the last time I was here, and transmission does smell burnt now. So we're going to drop the pan and then go from there. Sorry, it's out of focus. So as I drop the pan, I'll catch a recording of that, and we may have a piston maybe losing pressure. We may need a rebuild, so I'll be back. Southern Arizona Power Stroke Service, thank you for looking, and I will also try to display the codes that was involved in this. Okay, just making a note of this. I'm seeing almost the way that the oil is repelling against the, which is kind of weird, but we do have material in there, a little bit right there, so put some gloves on. I'm gonna take this oil pan out. Okay, let's see, let's take a look. Go ahead.
see this right here?
Yep.
How thick it is?
Oh yeah. Yep. That's, and down here. So it looks like the clutches.
Now, doesn't this have an adjustment for clutches?
Well, seeing that, no, no. There is an adjustment, and
There is or isn't?
is not. And I say at this point, with all that material. Okay, go ahead. Can you put it in gear and drive? Put it in reverse. And drive. Okay, put it in park. And then put it in drive again. And reverse. And drive again. Okay, put in park. Okay, so here's the P0731, P0734, P1790. Gear ratio error. Okay, so 1999 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're having P0731 incorrect gear ratio in first gear, and P0734 incorrect gear ratio in fourth. And we here is a good sensor. Can you hold the phone on the? Okay, no, it's okay. You can back out and give it some space.
Wait, what do you want me to do?
It's recording right now, so just kind of hold it on the meter. That's okay. You don't have to move much. And I'll try to get the meter.
Okay.
Or back up a little bit, and I'll.
Okay.
Right there. And if I can hold it. So this is a good sensor. And we have 528 ohms. So if you put it in K ohms, it would be 0.528. So this sensor is good.
Okay.
And this sensor off of the truck off of the Jeep, it's dead, and I'm on the prongs right now.
Okay.
So just to verify, this sensor is no good.
Huh.
So we're going to swap this sensor, install this sensor, and top off with fluid and clear codes and try it again.